So basically, I tried clearing a couple more things, you know, using this little computer. You know, obviously it's not going to work, so it did not work. But we could actually clear all the adaptive learning of the gearbox and engine and everything like that. Like this printer would be adapted for a new driver. And the way you do this, guys, is you turn the key to the on position, you put your gas pedal in, basically wait till 10 seconds, turn the key off, remove the gas pedal, wait 2 minutes before you actually turn on the vehicle and actually start driving. So let's go ahead and perform this little thing, and hopefully it clears it. I really don't want to start up and show you that it's there, but I could assure you guys I haven't done this before, so I'm going to be as excited as you guys are to see if it actually worked. And of course, I'm going to try to time myself using this little counter over here. So let's see, I'm going to wait till 1 minute, 2 seconds, 3, 4, 5, and so we're waiting till 15-minute marker. Okay, now I basically released it, so now we're gonna need to wait 2 minutes. So I'm gonna turn this off. Guys, my timer just went off, so it's the moment of truth. I hope this is not gonna be a bunch of disappointing thing, but let's go ahead and turn this thing on. And it's still there. And it's still there. Come on. That is not good. Let me show you. So whether I'm doing something wrong, I don't know, but it is still here. So I'm gonna try to do it a little bit differently. I'll just do it again off camera and see if anything works. Okay, guys, I did it once more, and actually this time we're waiting longer than 2 minutes. This time I timed everything using my timer and the phone, and I was actually last time just looking at the counter, you know, and stuff. The only thing I might have missed at this step is the kickdown. I don't know what a kickdown is. I'm assuming that is parking brake, but I'm basically just hitting the gas pedal all the way in. I will actually provide these type of details in the beginning of the video. As you guys seen, you could perform this adaptive learning reset on your van, or probably any other car, really. So let's turn it on and see if it's happening. Now, before we actually turn it on, I also think this might not clear because the van had not had a chance to actually see if the ABS sensors are reading stuff, because we're kind of like parked. So perhaps by me driving it, it will, I don't know, reset itself maybe. If the problem goes away, technically it just should reset itself. Who knows? But let's go ahead and turn it on. It is still there, as I thought it would be. So now I'm going to try to plug in my iCarsoft, and we're going to try to use the graph and see the live data, you know, as I'm driving. And I'm going to see if I could graph it out somehow. I haven't done that before with this unit, so we will see. And then I'm going for a drive. So guys, this is what I'm going to do. I basically put on this data stream here. I do have an option to save or exit. So we're going to start driving, and I only have the left rear axle and right rear axle speed sensors. So I'm going to try to record this data and see what we get. I'm also going to comment and tell you what they are as I'm driving. Last time when I was driving, both rear speed sensors, they were showing everything exactly as it is. So it's quite confusing whether, you know, the problem is with the speed sensors or not. I just checked the code again. I actually see that it's one left rear speed sensor, you know, implausible. That's what it's saying. So I'm not sure what it means. Initially I was thinking that, wow, I actually can tell, guys, wow, after resetting it, guys, it does feel like a new Sprinter. It just goes like, wow, like it's so much more faster now. One thing I am wondering is if it was gonna go above 70 miles an hour. It is not. The actual bar where it says 70 miles an hour, it goes a little bit, you know, after it.